All right, some breaking news coming in at this moment. Jitendra Singh Tomar has reached Munger in Bihar. Tomar had claimed that he has an LLB degree from Munger College. He was arrested on Tuesday in connection with the fake degree case. That's the latest we are getting at this moment. We have Rohit Singh joining us with all the latest. Rohit, do tell us what is the police actually going to do today? Rohit, can you hear me?
Yes, hello.
Yes, Rohit, please tell me what exactly is the police expected to do today?
Well, Tomar has reached Munger. From now, what we are planning is that Delhi police team will take Tomar to the Munger college from where he claims to have got that degree, from where he's passed the law examination. And there, what we are learning from sources is that the same process will be followed, what was followed in Faizabad. Some students from 1994, when he was he claims to have done his
okay. Rohit. Okay, Rohit, we'll get more information from you. Some more breaking news coming in at this moment. Rahul Gandhi, I believe, is now meeting all the sanitation workers in the national capital. Remember, this has become a huge issue of concern at this moment, where they have been dumping garbage on the road in various areas of Delhi, particularly in East Delhi, where they are complaining non-payment of wages. So Rahul Gandhi now has come to listen to their concerns. This protest has been going on. It's been simmering in the national capital for the past 1 month. Let's quickly listen in as to what is happening.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के उपाध्यक्ष राहुल गांधी जी आप सबके बीच में है। एक आम आदमी की भांति, जिस तरह से एक आम आदमी आप लोगों के बीच में आता है, आपके नेता, आपके मजदूरों के नेता आप लोगों के बीच में आते हैं, उसी तरह से केजरीवाल ने आज दोस्तों आज आपको बताया कि झाड़ू
Congress Vice President, so he first championed the cause of the farmers, then he championed the cause of the home buyers, then he championed the cause of various other people. He went on Padyatras, and now the latest as far as Rahul is concerned, he's now with the sanitation workers of the national capital. Now, just to give you a perspective as to what exactly is happening, in the national capital, for the past few months, sanitation workers are complaining non-payment of wages. I mean, they have been erratic, they have not been proper. There has been a huge blame game between the Municipal Corporation of Delhi, the 3 municipal corporations of Delhi, which are largely BJP ruled. They're BJP ruled. The state government here is that of Arvind Kejriwal, the Aam Aadmi Party. There is a provision as far as their payment is concerned, which is supposed to be routed through these particular governments as well as the municipal corporation. There has been huge conflict, as has been the case in the case of various other departments, where there has been a point of conflict between Aam Aadmi Party as well as Aam Aadmi Party as well as the BJP. This also has been a flashpoint between these two parties. It now appears, and for the past many months, we have seen that in areas particularly of East Delhi, North Delhi, West Delhi, South Delhi, where MCD is actually in operation, there have been huge dumps of garbage on the road. In fact, in East Delhi, there is a situation where the road is it has been dumped with garbage. The sanitation workers have actually got garbage and they have put it on the road. So that's the scale of the protest that was taking place. Delhi was becoming Delhi's roads had started stinking, in fact. Rahul Gandhi now seems to be championing the cause of these sanitation workers, trying to listen to them. It'll be interesting to see what will be the political fallout of this particular step that Rahul Gandhi has taken. Javed Ansari, our executive editor, is now on the phone line with us. Javed, what forces Mr. Rahul Gandhi to take this step?
Look, it's common knowledge now that parts of East Delhi, there's been garbage lying on the roads. The workers are on strike because they haven't been paid. The Delhi government, apparently there's a standoff between the Delhi government and the workers, and as a consequence, it's the general public, it's the Aam Aadmi which is suffering. because there's garbage, there's muck lying across, across the roads. There are great sanitation issues arising out of it. And because the government is seemingly helpless, it's not been doing anything. Rahul Gandhi has decided now to join this issue. He's sitting on a dharna there, and perhaps this is aimed at trying to force the Delhi government to step in and do the cleaning up job now.
Absolutely, but Javed, this intervention, what is it likely to snowball into? I mean, are we expecting pretty much on similar lines that we saw in the past when Rahul Gandhi intervened as far as the farmer agitation is concerned, the land agitation is concerned, the middle class home buyers agitation is concerned? Are we to expect that there will be some sort of a political reaction from the opposition and also the Congress taking up this case in a big way?
Look, the Congress has been down in the dumps. They were routed. They got 0 seats out of the 17 in the last assembly elections. And therefore, the Congress is picking up issues that concern the people, whether it is the question of water or electricity supply, and now this question of sanitation, of cleaning up the roads. He's now protesting on the side of the workers. This is an issue which has people's connect, and Rahul Gandhi has made it a point ever since he returned from his sabbatical to join issues, to be associated with issues that have people connect. So this has to be seen in that light. Now, what kind of reaction it would prompt from the government, it remains to be seen. But the fact is that it has focused attention on this problem that the people of Delhi are facing now.
Absolutely. Javed Ansari, many thanks for joining us at this moment. Short break on First Up. We'll be back with a lot more.